Hello, IONET enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a new worker for io.net step-by-step on Windows. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get your worker up and running seamlessly. Let's get started. First, we enter io.net and click Sign Up in the upper right corner. Choose one of the three options and sign up. After you sign in, hover over IO Cloud and select Worker from the drop-down menu. Select Connect New Device. Here we choose Windows as our operating system. Select io.net as the supplier and name your device as you like. Your device type should be GPU worker. Before we proceed, we need to make sure our NVIDIA drivers are up to date. First, open the GeForce Experience application by typing GeForce Experience into the Windows search bar and clicking on it. Once GeForce Experience is open, log in with your NVIDIA account. Click on the Drivers tab at the top of the screen. Click on Download to start downloading the latest drivers. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, click on Install to begin the installation process. This may take some time. After the installation is complete, make sure to reboot your machine to apply the updates. All right, now that our NVIDIA drivers are up to date, we can move on to setting up our worker on io.net. Next, ensure that virtualization is enabled in the BIOS. To enable virtualization technology in your BIOS, the specific steps can vary depending on your computer's manufacturer and model. To verify if virtualization is enabled, open Task Manager. Select Performance and then click on the CPU tab to view the information in the bottom right corner, as shown in the image. Then copy and paste the following command. Copy and paste the second command to enable the Virtual Machine Platform feature. Then set WSL2 as the default version and restart your machine. Now that you have virtualization enabled, it's time to install Docker. Go to the Docker website and click on Download for Windows. You run the installation process, and after the installation is done, reboot the machine. Start the Docker desktop, and in Docker, select WSL2 to integrate. Verify the installation by opening PowerShell and typing following code. You will then receive the following output with Docker version. That's it. Now your Docker is ready. The last step is to download the CUDA toolkit. Visit the download page and then select your operating system. Choose your architecture and then download the local installer XE. Then, you need to verify the installation process. Open PowerShell and type the following command. That's it. You have the CUDA toolkit installed and ready. Here you can see the list of supported GPUs and CPUs on the io.net network. It is important to check that your GPUs and CPUs are supported or not. Now everything is ready to get your worker running. Simply copy and paste the command below into your PowerShell and run it. Remember, your Docker desktop should be running in the background before you run this command. Wait for the connection and click the refresh button. It might take some time. Now, hover over IO Cloud and select Worker from the drop-down menu. You should see your worker. We're in a running state with a green dot indicating that everything is fine. Let's click on the worker now. This is your worker UI where you can see all the details about your worker. Let's check our Docker now to see if everything is fine with images and containers. You seems good. Everything is running smoothly.